ikannya sama ikan sero sama
Cibuluh Village is one of the tourist destination in Indonesia, which located in Tanjung Siang, Subang. This place has a concept the Sundanese culture experience, because in here, the tourists will get some knowledge about Sundanese culture and river culture.
Dari bawah bro, kacang-kacang dulu.
Kelayannya ngaku sebab mugia kata kelayan kaminya.
Cibuluh Village has a river called Musa Jajawai. This river is the confluence of 7 rivers. Some of them are Cinayu River, Cilandesa River, Citerep River, Cikaruncang River, Cikembang River, and Cileat River. They are all emptiest in Cipunagara River. The extent of 7 rivers encourages the presence of river culture in Cibuluh Village, such as ngeprok, ngagogo, sasak oyak, ici kubung, ajrut sarung, gebuk bantal, ngenen, and papalidan. Indonesia is known as country with so many cultures in it. Cibuluh Village is one of the proof of beauty in Nusantara. We as the next generation must be conserve our beautiful culture, so it doesn't extinct and ageless by the time.